Hello and welcome to part 3 of the Essential Information for Administrators. In this video we provide information about what participation data is used for and how to enter participation data. Participation data collects information about the programs run by your organisation. This includes the program dates and location, types of activities conducted, the number of people involved in the program and participating in activities, and the age and gender of participants. Participation data is used to calculate your organisation's overall incident rates and incident rates associated with specific lead outdoor activities. It also helps you determine if specific age groups or genders are more at risk of incidents, injuries or illnesses. Participation data must be entered for every program run by your organisation, whether it is associated with an incident or not. If you only enter programs associated with incidents, your organisation will not have accurate information about how often participants are exposed to activities or how often incidents occur per 1,000 activity participation days. I will now show you how to enter participation data into the Uploads app using a fictitious program. The details of the program are provided on the screen. The first section collects information about the program, including program name and type, location and duration. It also asks you to provide the number of people involved in the program. This information is used to calculate your organisation's overall incident, injury and illness rates. So here we'll add the program details from our example. The program name, Leadership Camp, Job ID 1234. The program type, Residential. State and Territory, Queensland. The dates, 4th of June to the 6th of June. Notice the total days is calculated for you. And how many people are involved in the program? 30 activity participants, 3 activity leaders, 2 supervisors, and 0 other. The Activity Numbers section collects information about the activities conducted on the program and the number of participants participating in each activity. To enter the activities for our example, we click on the Select Activities button and select Bushwalking, Mountain Bike Riding, and Solo Orienteering activities. You now enter the number of participants involved in each activity per day. It is important that this information is as accurate as possible, as it is used to calculate activity participation days. For more information about how activity participation days are calculated, refer to the help icon. As shown on the screen, the Uploads app assumes that all participants do each activity every day. You will need to manually adjust the numbers to reflect the number of participants performing each activity. A pre-fill button has been provided to repopulate the table if required. Lastly, the participant breakdown section asks you to provide the age and gender demographics for the participants. This information will help determine if specific age groups or genders are more at risk of incidents, injury or illness. So here we select male as the gender breakdown. You'll see that the app automatically populates the number of participants with the number of participants involved in the program. If you select females as well, the app will automatically split the number over the two groups. Manually adjust the numbers if these are not correct. Now we select the age bracket 13 to 17. The participant number is correct, so we click on the Continue button. You may choose to assign the data to another person to check once the program is complete. This way, the program data can be updated to reflect any participant absences or changes to the activities that occurred during the program. To assign the data, click on the Assign for Further Review button. A pop-up menu will prompt you to select the person you want to review the data. You can then choose to write a brief message to that person or just click the Assign button. Alternatively, you can mark the participation data as complete. It is important to note that incomplete participation data will not be included in the analysis reports shown in the Explore section. So please complete your participation data to ensure your organisation is getting a complete overview of participation and incident rates. When marking the participation data as complete, you'll be asked to submit your data to the National Incident Dataset, the NID. Program data should be submitted to the NID even if there were no incidents associated with the program. Your data will help the wider lead outdoor activity sector understand incident rates on a national scale and will also allow your organisation to compare your incident rates to similar organisations within Australia. Remember to use the help icons to access further information and use the edit buttons to navigate back through the report and update information as required. Your organisation may have added additional questions to collect organisational specific information, such as job codes, etc. So please contact your Uploads administrator if you need any clarification on questions not covered in this video. This brings us to end of Part 3 of the Essential Information for Administrators. Please continue to Part 4 for information about how to explore your data.